Me have to breed. Yo, you know, no one give. Triplet one time. What?
This is it, man.
Right.
Alright, so if you use it.
Let me tell you how to take it now.
Me nose under attack. What kind of scent that? I want smell so. I want smell so. I smell so. I smell so. My girl, really? I really eat na the bush. You a go diddy. You know have no toilet at your yard that low, and your ear and nail long so. What a show? What a show? Me see her on the road looking well stush. Only if you find out say she a do a bush. Large she my load, but it nearly broke me neck. Me say, wait there, why you a do so? She freeze up quick like statue in a show. She say, mind your business, just go on where you a go. But the evidence strong. Me already know, Nino. How I smell so, how I smell so, I smell so, I smell so. My girl really, I really eat na the bush. You a go did it. You know have no toilet like a yard that low, and your ear and nail long so. What a show. Every morning she post on the gram, living my best life, filter and glam, hiding every flaw, nobody know. But me see the truth where she not show. Me link her later, me try to be nice. Me say real talk, me nah mock your life. She shame, she hold her head to the ground. The situation rough, me nah joke around. Light bill, high water bill, do we? Pressure upon her, nothing she can do. She dress up good for hide the stress, but life beyond that, a real mess. From bush to blessing, things can change. Today you struggle, tomorrow rearrange. No shame in life, but truth must show. Social media now run the real show. I want smell so, I want smell so, I smell so, I smell so. My girl really, I really eat na the bush. You a go did it. You know have no toilet in your yard that low, and your ear and nail long so.
Love the vibes of the sweet sensimania. Can't do without a spliff in a me mouth corner. Good meditation require indica. Run out of that chicken me the camboard and me ball. Love the vibes. Good meditation require indica. Can't do without this just scissors dull man. Sure. Meditation require indica. Run out of that, you give me the camboard. Me nah run out of this though.
Jacqueline!
Hey, welcome, conceive.
Agan. Yes, sir.
Blessings.
So you turn big herbalist for me overnight. Although from a long time from you're younger, you used to practice, you know, and sell some holy passing. But now you're boss big time, you get global.
Yeah, man, I bear big and my smoke.
Yo, all people from foreign call me and ask me about it, you know.
With what?
Then
I saw my name gone abroad.
Girl, they want some herb. People sick all over the world right now. A lot of sickness, they have different type of sickness.
That's true.
Me I tell you, because remember say I don't have infection, you know. Remember say you have inflammation, you have infection, and then there are different type of disease them, you know. You have cancer, you know the big head, you know, the one day. And you have syphilis, herpes, you have all kind of sickness. And me know say you are the one for
Venomous.
girl,
Venomous.
people want your herb to buy. You need to go up on social media and go promote your thing, girl. When you do business, that's the only way.
And that
The only way your thing go up.
That's
You
true.
can't have your big thing. What herbalist like this? I make your herb them and you know everything for every sickness and sit down so about big cliff so early in the morning.
Yes, man.
Where
But
they
it's the
from?
healing of the nation. You know how much things is healed? Every disease you mention, this
Yeah.
is the cure for.
Chat about. Me know you know your thing, you know.
Then
Me know you know the work, man.
One man,
Me know
Jackie,
you-
with
Yeah,
every
man.
cure And we are run to chemical for poison the system.
We are daughter so early.
It hot, man. It hot, so me come out and cool off and cool the meds.
Boy, Jacqueline, from me know you ever look healthy.
Yeah, man.
You have to go give me some of them Medina and them Sassy Pearl and them Spirulina they fi drink, you know, cause right now I feel like I want to get pregnant at the age of 45, you know.
So you're not too late for that, my girl. You have to look for grandpicnic now. Why you want to get pregnant at this age for?
I this say this me.
Nah, this
Jacqueline,
you, man.
and me your friend Punsi are this now, where you say?
Me nah
at the
this you,
age.
but if you live life right, you
Me I
know,
live
man.
life right now, I'm alive and well.
Actually.
Watch, look for me. Where you feel like,
Look
you
how
know,
fat around like England pound.
you know feel say, man out there see me where want me.
Course,
I chew.
of course.
I just chew, me not really want it, but me not tell you no lie, you know, Jackie. Me have to put on my glasses to tell you that one, you know. No, say me know somebody where me really like though.
Let me take off my glasses for here this year one. Oh,
Watch ya. I tell you in nickname, but me not really know him right name yet, cause me and him not really have no proper conversation yet. I just high and by and, you know.
From you want him. You have to get him, man.
Alright.
Oh.
Me I wonder if you know how, you know.
Me don't know you not tell me.
Me not tell you yet, but me I wonder if you know a person.
Hey, any man you want, you have to. I put see your name, you know.
Punsi me name.
Hey.
And guess what him name?
Eh.
Daniel in the den. No lion couldn't touch him. Me I tell you God lock them out. No lion.
What? Which Daniel? Cause plenty Daniel in the lane. Which Daniel?
Daniel, he have a nice fair complexion. Good, nice, energetic body. I mean no say him can angle this more than angle this, girl. You see them man there? Them educated, them skill and them smart. Yeah, them man they clever. Them take care of woman good. They have some real nice man them there. Them the man them like, you know, me come in my life. Yeah man, them know how to hold one good conversation. Them have reasoning ability. Them up like that man, and them the kind of decent, good looking man me like where wear them clothes up here so them pants not they down here so. You see? And then you see underpants here so then dress well respectable. Them man they are real man, you know, a gentleman. Me no mean no man where them boy out the road a chat about yo dog. Me no chat to dog. No man, me chat to man and them man they and them run things, you know, when they come on to woman, them know if it take care of the TLC part.
Hey.
Yeah man.
So tell me something, Ponsi. I know the same one from the mountain edge up the hill.
Then I could have who else may talk?
Oh.
No most the Daniel there.
Oh, saw him.
Jacqueline half him. Nobody
Girl,
else.
you gone high standard.
Oh you mean?
Me love it, me love it.
True you know.
Me love it, man.
Can't
me
take
love
it low
it.
class man them.
No, you're not for lower class, man.
Daniel is first class.
Yes, a definite first class man, you know. And
Second
you know,
class.
ordinary man that day, you know.
That you feel know.
Hey, any man, my sister set her eye pan. You have to get. Oh,
Big
so
up
something you
yourself.
come and talk about.
Talk about it man, nobody there, so me no business with nobody you know right now. And them the man them me want breed for me, not even say pregnant, that too nice. Me have to breed. Yo, you know me want give triplet one time.
What?
And guess what? Me no want they favor me no cause then them man they have nice color you know man and them up.
man,
Yo,
man,
me not
I
discriminate for me color you know cause me love it.
No, man, but-
Beauty. Let me tell you
Hey.
something. No want the whole of them favor him. I want the three of them favor him. Guess what I want? Me no want have them one by one, you know.
No.
I want
Oh,
triplet.
okay.
Oh.
I saw you do it.
But guess what, girl?
Mhm.
You know, say me have a little complication though.
What kind of?
But me I wonder if you can work on it for me, cause right now, as me tell you before, me can't breed. I want to get pregnant real early.
You are pregnant.
Him, cause me no want no girl take him away
Hey.
before me get him.
No girl can take him away from you, but if that you want,
so,
that
hold
you
on there.
get.
Me ask you a question. You think you can manage to sort out my fallopian tube for me? Cause guess what? I'm tell you a little secret, you know, cause you're my friend for a long time. You know? I know you're not go really grown and tell nobody, you know.
No, man.
So you have to keep this confidential.
Yeah, man, that's between you and me and God.
Here, you know. You know, so I got a doctor a couple times, do about 6 times. Girl, the amount of medication me I take from them time there. If you lose this fallopian tube, the two tube black. And then the doctor there give me prescription every time. And me go fill the medication them. And God Almighty, man, you want to tell me say all the money that we me spend, and no, me can't get pregnant. Well, maybe, say, me not too sorry still no, cause maybe, the man when me used to chat to, maybe I know him did fi breed me. A Daniel fi breed me.
Once you grieve me, man. How long you know me? Eh? And you know if should have come to me, man, instead of go take the poison, and that mess you up too.
I know say you're a real herbalist, but me know
Man.
the things you can manage them, the kind of job
course.
there.
You know how much people me help from all boat, all foreigner flying come and me help them.
I know 'cause a couple of them hear about you and me then call and you know get in touch with them. And me give them your number.
You know use
But
it.
me no too rate you like that, so you can do them thing that but sorry about him man, but he better me tell you the truth. Me I bridging for a long time, sister.
Alright, my girl, me I can help.
Me I bridging for a long time, sister. So here now. That are the main reason why I did come down here and check you.
Alright. No problem, But here what? The bush them that me need. Because you got to the damn medicine man and got me to work harder, but me can't manage it. The bush them that me need, me not had them in the yard.
You have to go.
You have to go up on the hills them feet. So
okay.
you have to give me a few days. Give me about 4 days.
You have to go call it then are you
Yeah,
call?
man. No.
Call me
You
when
know,
you get
say
there.
me change my numbers, me change my phone, and it kind of mess up, so the number come out.
Alright.
You have my number, not true?
So if you change your number,
I change my number, me change my phone.
Oh, you think you say you change your number now? Mistake you make, man.
Mistake me, I make.
Alright,
I
here,
mess up
give me.
the meds, so me still
Alright,
go.
cool. Give me it back. Give me it back.
876-799-5112.
Alright. Me go down, me save it, Jacqueline.
And call me so that me know have your number.
Yeah. Alright then.
Alright. You know what? Here what? You're my sister, So, me I go get my machete and go into the hills right now.
How much do you say again?
Listen. Me I go right now. So, 4 days. Because by the time them quail and set and me mix it up, and here what? Me not charge you nothing, and you forget the youth. You're my sister like that.
Alright.
Alright, you're
Just
my sister.
take care of yourself and bless up yourself. You're one love every time, man.
You have to get it.
Me I go call you.
3 in 1, man. Me I go set you up. Herb you want, herb I go get. Jam out of order. I come to me, for brew bush for you, for take my man. Hey, me I go deal your business, girl. Hello? But wait. Hello, Dan. Vice Snail. Hey, I that you deal with Daniel? 3 a woman a road, eh? I come to me for breed for you. Hey, I go fix on the business. Breed for my man. Watch this. Cut lights. You know, so me now make this mess up my meds. Me know what to do, About herb, about me, fake hey. Oh, you know exactly how to fix your business. All right, fine on the no. All right. This one are you. Yes. Ah. We're brutal. Yeah, man. Once some at the goat bush, run our belly. Oh, chief, my man. All right, what else? Ah, breadfruit leaf. But deal with no business right you know, baby one too. Everything in a tree. Everything in a tree. Yeah, man. Hey, mess with me from hey. Everything there. Ja, you're good till you're too good. Right. Everything in a tree for you. Tree in a one you want, tree in a one you're gonna get. Hey. Right. From them see me know me feisty. Me a one rasta when none of my tasty. No ramp on them pastry. Haitians could shites run me own bakery. Let me take a little further. Long time on the bonfire upon them king burger. Yeah, one rasta. You're good, you know. Sometimes when I show off for me, watch ya. This one I got running belly more. Hey! Me know me feisty. Yeah, one rasta. Hey, running belly time. Everything in a tree for running belly. Yes, man. Thank you, no. Me know see me I do the right, you know. Cause from me I do this, and you show me everything, what me never remember. Hey! From you see me know me feisty. Lord. But wait, me a really idiot, you know. Me I go block her and run her belly at the same time. Jaja, you're good till you're so good. Yes, I. Clear. What happened, Funcy? How you do?
And there, man, you good?
Yeah, man, me I give thanks. Me I give thanks. Where you deal with?
Yeah?
What you deal with?
And then you come here, yo. Jacqueline. A 4 day now, you know? 4 day now.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
No.
Yeah, man.
Come on.
All right.
You know, start out with something for me.
All right, here what? Me I go get the last ingredients for you, here. So, everything cool up and ready for me for brew. So, me just gotta get the last ingredients. So, check me back in a few hours. Give me about 3 hours and come check me. Enough for phone, me just come.
All right.
All right, me have it ready for you.
Alright. Yeah, thanks. Me soon call link you, man. Alright, cool. Alright. Yeah, man.
Aye. I go fix you. What, my daddy, you good? Me never see you.
Yeah, man.
Aye. Daddy, tell me something. They have no Andrews? Me searching for no Andrews?
Searching a whole for Andrews in there, man.
Aye. We get it here. Blessing.
No, wait, no, and
sorry
so we
about
live, and so we live.
Yeah.
Like this. Yes, remember when we just meet and them sitting there?
Thank you.
Take time eat that.
So babe, no disrespect. You know me have a talk with you and everything, and you tell me say you want to talk to me about it. You say something on the phone, say you look about it, but me never really understand. But like you're there, so right now you can just fill me in. You say you look about
Well, this come like a confirmation because guess what?
it. Tell me.
Are the person where I look about this something for me get through down here so for me can conceive now. Me just don't talk to on the phone. Actually because me dey on my phone and you dey on your phone. You're not even pay with no mind, but me soon get pregnant, man. Me soon get pregnant and a triplet more you give me, you know. Jesus Christ.
I want cheap black me having baby.
Yeah, take that, take that.
Babe,
Yeah.
big man level. That sound good to know. Cause you are from over there, me a bust all the clip run out, me a forget I want to from fertility again. So me I feel like me don't know if we bust a gun.
Let me tell you something.
No, stop.
Why? What you know? I want 2 boy and 1 girl.
Alright, me I tell you what.
I want the girl over here, so. I want 1 eye boy here, so, and 1 here, so.
Listen what me answer, baby. Me I tell you what we go on now.
Yeah.
You see Father God, you see anything in give it, we are going to take. But here we know now. A broad you like man dash it us up.
Yes.
That means you say anything you get,
Yeah.
we are going to love, we are going to like. You see me?
But me must say, me no like.
What? Babe, talk to me now, man. I want you, man. Talk to me now. Now watch that you want to watch man, a bad man and corrupt. So we deal with true love in a broad daylight. Now watch him.
Because last night you only do it 1 time. And me did have one dream say you did do it about 3 times. Would I get pregnant, you know, would not fear go to a girl. She named Jacqueline, one of my friend for a long time. She a one herbalist.
Babes.
And she a go do it to me, make me can get pregnant.
Babes. She can get you, make you get pregnant. Cause long time you are trying, baby.
Me know, but I'm a friend for a long time, you know.
So yo, you're getting a receipt. Say yo, people in the same spot where we in a.
Me know say she can do it. She a herbalist, and I'm a friend for a long time. I just told me never used to talk to you about her, but she good like that.
Babes, all Sunday morning, I got a ball gun and dog, my laugh off of me, you know.
No, yes, once she do it,
Yeah.
that go work. It all happen.
Alright, watch you now. You see last night, time in cold, so you know your gun now go to bust like how if you bust. But you see tonight, no worry yourself. You see like how you tell me that you know your gun active.
I mean, like when you do it 4 and 3 times.
Yeah, 5 times me go. Cause you reason why you want a boy or a girl.
Yeah.
For run up and down and keep me active. Me up on the phone too much time, bro. Want to look at you to can keep me focused and active be.
That's true.
You see me? Run up and down in the house. When you all cook and me all wipe, take off pampers and them thing there. You see me? And then me sit there like, you know, school man. So yo, you say I go there now?
Me go check a girl, Jacqueline. That's what she name. Remember
The
me
girl
tell you?
can sort out the thing.
Yeah, herbalist.
Alright, B, go and go check it
Cause
right now.
need to clear, yes.
For yourself, man, for you can sort out the things that go happen.
You know, say me cause he make this happen to me. Cause guess what?
Babe,
Yeah, me
listen me not, babe, listen me not, say that.
Yeah,
Not-
because 2 me used to go to clinic, go take an injection.
Be,
Injection,
now
the
watch
man
that.
good sitting it a black with you. But
That's why you take this injection and now. We see
no injection, she go give you a herbalist a push.
B, now watch that. I told you in this together. Here.
Alright.
See me?
Alright, so I give you money for your lunch.
Jesus Christ, baby. Yo,
See there? $5,000.
yo, me love how you take care of me, you know.
Yeah.
Are you know?
Let me later, me I go buy girl here.
Yo, babe, come on here.
Yeah.
LOVEYO, you know. Yo, John. Oh, that's cool, baby. Yo, God, mama, hey. Mama look good off. Hey.
Nobody wave to me and smile. Eh?
Babe, what's wrong? What's the problem?
What's the problem? How you hide from me? Eh?
Baby, me not hide me just. Long mosquito and you feel like I run. Sorry if you feel like I run. Me apologize, baby. Why, oh, you are just human, baby. You know that.
You know, from the other day, me I phone you and a 2 ring and voice note.
Babes, listen to me. Man, just listen to me and say. You see, it company, you know, they call on so. You see, down the so, flow and digital. And them are the problem, you know. Everybody phone are the problem. See there, I swear to God be, but me apologize all on my fault. Me apologize. So, you're there now, so I'm a baby. My God, man. What's up? You alright?
Mine and no bun you give me, you know. Not try to give me bun, you know.
Babes, me, coloring book, Omar, your baby, your bun. Babes, more no do that. Me need one buy bun and carry home. Oh God, be man, just cool man. Me need one buy bun and carry home. That's how me rate you and love you and care. Me need to care for myself like how me care for you.
Me know, you know, cause people are chat. Your name Tinker Road. But me not have no proof yet. Know what you do? And next thing, how my man for their road in a slippers? Eh? Me, go on. Me not give you the money the other day for buy clogs, my lord.
Babes, that money they done already. And them they are going hustle our money to buy clocks.
My man no look like ragamuffin a road, you know. Me done give you the clogs money already. Here what? Put this on top of it, here. And next time you see if you look better than that, man.
Yo, B, me a go run a mommy right now go buy the clocks. You know, say you say something look wild and not true. You say my name stinking eye street. But them now go tell you say our name, our love stinking eye street. Bad man and corrupt. Look all that girl, you see you give me money, look wild man look. You know, make them mash up. You know what I think about, baby? I want to tell you something. You know, someone lock me ear too. Because you're a Rasta and me a Rasta.
Hey, and the Rasta
When
loving
you
you
want
want, you know.
Rasta loving, me have all the ballad loving, but you want to follow me, girl, and mommy then go buy the clock to show you something now, girl, on you.
Just know what you do, man. But me have a work for go on. So me can't go there.
Yo, yeah. Alright, watch out now. Come on, yes, I then me get a look at chips.
Come now.
Yo, I see your little name. Yeah, look, come on.
You, alright, baby, alright. My phone, you hear?
No, come, what time you come on? What time?
Alright, round 4 o'clock.
Yeah, take too long. Give me next hour. You can't laugh.
No, you do, you know. And nobody else will clamp you but me, you know. Alright.
Almighty. Boy, gonna now behave in a town it one bus. Jesus Christ, boy.
He thinks I'm a really idiot, you know. Hey, the pig him raise me, raise the mother, and they granny done dead. I go fix them. Whee! Fixing a business. Yeah, man, you can get a taxi now. Come now. We just have put the last touch. Yeah, man, it's ready. Yes, girl. You know, so me I go fix you up. All right, well, good. I'll fix you up. Oh. Ooh, my belly. Herb you want? I'm gonna fix your business. I'm gonna fix your business for you. I'm gonna fix your business for you. I love you, but you see when it comes to my man, I'm in a ram. Why? Save some. Save some. Why fizz up too much for her, man. I fizz up. Aye, yes, man. Yes, hide this before she come. Come feet, man. Come feet. Boy, no bubble pan me. No bubble pan me yet. Save some heads. Yes, comfy now. Comfy in there right here. You come for the thing. Of course. Did I tell you something I'm gonna look after you? Yeah, man, I'm gonna fix you right up. See it here? So here what you do now. You see this? Me make the most powerful one for you because you're my sister. So, you take it everywhere you go. Here? And you just take a cork full. You jerk it down in one, you know. Take a cork full 3 times for the day. Here, and it's to clear out everything and fix up you. Better yet, keep it with you and sup it throughout the day. Here, have good roots this. Sometimes your belly might feel away, you might feel sick. And watch nothing here. I bill it a bill you and I clear it a clear you out.
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, my friend.
You're welcome. Welcome. A 3 in 1 this, you know.
So,
Make sure you take it, you know.
I will take it. I take it as you said if you take it. Like a sip. Alright then?
Alright. As a matter of fact, take a sip in front of me now. Take some now, man. If you start, the sooner you start it, the sooner you breathe.
You know, bitter.
Hey, bitter in the mouth, sweet in the belly.
Alright, take it out or just sip like this.
Sup the cork full. Not for measure.
So then grainy sitting on the pan.
Remember some herbs, you know? Remember some herbs in a bush? And I concentrate it for you.
Really?
Kind of one
Smell
thing you
strong.
want.
It smell strong, man. You all push
Yes,
me down.
man.
But
It's
I don't like them
strong,
greeny
powerful.
green.
Apple herb.
Much green. Alright. Just lick
Just
it.
crack your nose and sup it.
Smell strong. Forward.
Swallow it now. Make sure you swallow it.
Jesus!
Yeah, man. Bitter in the mouth, sweet in the belly. Hold it in. Hold it. Swallow. Alright. Good woman. No say. As hard as it is, if you don't hold it in, you not go breathe.
Alright.
3 in 1.
Okay. So, what time if you take your rest? Just every now and again?
Just sup throughout the day, man. Till it done. Alright. Bless.
Come on.
3 in 1.
Yeah. My belly kind I saw you did a work fast. My belly
Yes,
kind of
man,
feel.
herb. And that you should have done long time and I take the damn chemical, man.
Why you make me feel so already? I'm just the first part.
Because you're full of the chemical, it have to work hard upon you. It a mash up the chemical now to work on the chemical.
You think we should take a little bit more and see if it doesn't feel a little
Yes,
bit or
man.
worse going?
No, man.
I think I take it back too big.
No, man. Drink some more, man.
Drink some more?
Yes. A herb bush, you know, it can't harm you.
Alright, here.
All right, man. Go on, man. No charge. No charge. All right. Walk good. Sunbury, the sun turn auntie. Can't believe you're such a fool. We can't wait to hear this judgment. Oh, hey. As a matter of fact, let me go to the split for this one. Shall we? Wait, you're bad.
Oh! How me put on a belt so? No man. Oh. No sir. Oh. Ratty that over carry this. Boy. No man, we can't go no further. Jesus Christ. Oh, me shit and poop and a belch. Jesus. Lord Jesus, me not even have no tissue. When me go home, I wonder if nobody watching me, I have to go bed. How far carry this up? Who wanna not see me? Oh God. I have to go take taxi and think of shit. Boy. Woo.
We knew I was under attack. What kind of scent that? I was smell so, I was smell so, I smell so. My girl really, I really not the bush, I go do. You know have no toilet, and your yard that low.
Jesus. Ooh. No. Jesus. What?
Love the vibes of the sweet sense in me. Let's see if he can do it now. Yeah, let's see if he can answer me. What, B? Yeah, man. How are you? Tell me something. You get the clocks yet? Yeah, man. And that me love. Yes, cause my man must look good. So how you gonna thank me later? Cause remember say, me spend time my man, you know. Cause you have to look good. So me want a bag of loving. Remember say me gonna start get the Rasta man loving now, you know. Jaja. Boy, baby, how you deal with me so? Why, y'all make me get GT, man? Boy, me have to go hold on strong when me see you later.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Belly a quant me. Father God help me. Woo.
figure hold on strong when, hey, later, you see it, each one help one. Me look after you. Yes, me no say you look after me, man. That's why I can't let you go. Me love you, you know. Oh God, me miserable sometimes because me love you. Yes. That's why I don't want no other woman come running on my things. And me and you forever. Me, how you going, so? No, be calm down, man. Remember later. Nah, judge you. I truly love you, man. Me just go on mad sometimes. Nobody now tell me nothing, B. You see you, Daniel. You hear the things you tell me in the ears in a broad daylight. You're too rude. Here you go, answer. Anyway. Which color clocks you did get? The black one or the blue one? Eh?
Jesus. Shut up your mouth. Belly a hot me a chat about roar. Oh. Oh God. Hello? Hello? Hi. Punsi my name, Punsi. Punsi my name. Me can use a bathroom, please, me I beg you. Me no say no know me. Please. Me know you don't know me, but I want to use a bathroom, please.
No, darling, I'm not sense in bathroom. By the way, what you want to do? Number one and number two.
What?
No.
Sorry. One, I mistake me make a two.
So you want to say for the
Miss. Please.
Hey, calm down.
Where bathroom? Miss, me can pay you.
Alright, $500 use. 5 minutes ago in there, $500.
5. Me can go when me come back, me give money.
No.
Alright.
And listen, please brush it. Come in a normal length change out my bathroom.
Sit here. Where bathroom? Where?
Hey, go in there, stand Hello. Please flush the bathroom. But see, what is that woman name? Hello, please flush the bathroom. What's them people here? Hold on. What am I take so long? This past 5 minutes, you know. Yes.
I'm coming.
Hello.
I'm coming, miss.
Listen, this past 5 minutes, don't bang up my bathroom or and come out.
Come in, me wash my hand.
Your thoughts that it's finished. Come out.
Me come in.
Oh, yeah, wash and you put water in my bathroom, miss.
Miss, me tell her, say me come in.
Jesus. Oh, God. Miss, listen, come that way. Hey, don't sit up on my chair. Come this way, man. Then I'm not for do with me. Spend more than 5. I'm supposed to about 3. You're not supposed to give me no long in my bathroom. Listen to me. I don't want you drink and make you DD yourself. Maybe should I make a DD yourself out the door. Listen, please come off my veranda.
Me know say this a good something for me.
Listen, go on, miss. Go on. Listen, go on. Come out of my yard. No. Me not have a carelessness in my yard. Lord God, man. Big woman. Look upon him. Think up the wall of my place. No, the wall of my place, I go smell like Didi for the whole day. Frowns. Lord God, I'm open the door and it's out it smell. That's why my people use my bathroom, you know. Come to know what it's a woman in here. Man. It's out it smell, man. Jesus. I really go take up on myself. Look how my house smell.
Alright, me and you have to go do road with them, you know. Alright, you have to go? No problem. Come here, go round up some food. Alright, love you. Love you. Love you. Oh, you're gone. It's alright. Sure you have other woman? Me know what to do with you, you know. Me know what to do with you. Alright. Like, Boat says she want breed for you. Job business. You see when me done with you, girl? When you not stop living at the toilet, you got shit out your tribe. Hey. Hello?
No. You again?
Miss. Oh,
You again?
please.
No, listen.
Please, may I beg you? Please.
No, you take this. You take this. No, too much of you. Too much. Stay from again. Too much of you for your one day. I just tell us some of my people use my bathroom, miss.
Miss.
$1,000 for 5 minutes. Hello, come here. Stick up the wall of my bathroom while I go in.
I could have be your sister.
Look what I be. Me have to buy air freshener for my bathroom where you think up.
Just 5 minutes more, man.
5 minutes more. Hello, don't make me shut me eye.
Yeah.
One.
The tissue what did in there, did done. You put more in there? Me did.
Buy this up in my bathroom.
Me finish the one with me go in there goes.
You leave. Hello. Don't make me shut me eye and I come out of my bathroom. What kind of carelessness this, Jesus? Why me? Look how much house in the neighborhood where that woman ever find for me yard. No man, Me go put a sign right this up on my grill for no entry for strangers for a deed. What kind of carelessness this? Look how much yard this a woman here pass. Well, she have to come and film me one. Hello? Miss? Yo!
Me come in.
5 minutes done, no man. Listen, no man.
Oh, thank you.
Listen, mama tell you. I'm gonna tell you this. Once and for all, you wanna see me gate, don't come back over here if I did it one did it. Miss, oh God, man. Look how much yard you pass out there, so. What me to do, cause in the think. What me to open the door. What you use and wipe your bottom?
Oh, Marina, when me see hang up over his show.
Oh God. Take you out. Go. No, man.
Miss, me put in my bin. Maybe it's...
What's in my yard?
feel like I want to go back in there.
Come out of my yard. Don't come back in here, you hear? You're too out order.
Please, I better take up the Marina, me sorry.
Come out of my yard, man.
Use a bathroom.
No. Don't come back in here. God.
stomach for cook.
You say, appear things wherever me know. Oh, she was there, so me come by one food, me come home with bad man. Check the gossip, no? If you ever know what happened, this man up on me yard. They put me veranda. Say me I go sweep up. You know me just sweep up so me I get the alright. One woman come, I will invite you here things up there. But then sink.
Stick a pin, stick a pin. You know, sister, a food this. I'm gonna go get curry chicken. Change the
So you ask me, Mr. Jacqueline, but then sink it.
Alright,
Think
man. You think my stomach. And I curry chicken, you go order. I don't want to think about that and then you have food, man. Change the subject from the DD subject, man. I can't tell you, man, my stomach.
are you asking, you know, so I go on differently. Oh, you come to buy food. You know, buy big store over there.
Girl, we are celebrate today.
What you celebrate?
That is for me, if you know, and everybody else to find out, but you know.
I shall know, because I first me see you up with shop.
You know, must know so special day that. But still, me not see you a cook shop neither.
So I'm going to tell the same DD situation, man.
Chum,
Who's down here?
Let's see my stomach. Mommy, you have no curry chicken?
Yeah,
Alright. Don't the subject from that one. The man good vibes.
What one? No in the jackpot.
Well, so you know.
What one, Jacqueline?
Hey!
You seem very happy today.
Oh Lord, you see? When my things come true and my job make it hot, hey! You don't know.
You married?
Man, what? Me too young for them. Me not married now.
Somebody buy you one car?
I know that.
You get $1 million?
We can get more than $1 million.
I hope you don't make them scam you.
No, baby girl.
So when you go get $1 million?
Don't worry about it, man. Don't worry about it. You get your food already?
No. Hello, darling. Good morning. Can I get one fried chicken, please? Leg and wing with curry gravy and pasta. You don't care what you never do. What you have? Leg and what? Big herbalist. You know, I don't take out this a big gut here for me. You know, say my belly big.
Yeah, man. That's an easy thing. 1 tree, man.
Alright. Me come link you, but I don't know. Come on, go eat this food here.
Yeah, man. Just come check me. Phone me when you
I
come.
have a friend as big herbalist and me have this a big gut here in front of me.
Cause I love the pharmaceutical too much, man. I never come check me for the herbs and the right thing.
Alright, my girl, come. Me not go check you now, you know. Yeah, alright.
Alright, later. I just...
What's that for? You don't want to say something?
What?
I can't come up here and go eat this food. I can't pour you for me think a didi.
Done the DD argument, man. You see, if you make me waste my food, you pay for it. You can come up at me yard, yes, but done the argument, man. You say if you done the argument. Sure.
No, sir. Girl, that deed is said there.
You want to go back to your yard?
Alright, listen up, make you come. Who come go? Make you talk about the belly now, if you take it off.
Yes, man, the right bush for you.
I want to take off this belly here. But guess what, I can't stop nyama like a chichi.
That's your problem, you have the wrong things. Nothing wrong with yamming, you know, you have to eat. But eat the right things. And then every minute, everybody want to run, go to pharmacy and put the chemical in here. And that'll slow you down, man, but we have the right thing for you.
I hope so, you know, I hope it work. I be a friend.
Yeah, man.
Do. Me, I beg you, no charge me enough, because me broke.
Broke?
Me broke.
Broke and look so big. You're not broke, man, and every minute you're yam. You're not broke, man.
Friend, so charge me a little bit of money.
You don't like see black people have anything, you know? Me I charge you for me charge you, me not rob you. But hard work, I have to walk in the sun.
Jacqueline, me I come from far.
Me have to, you come here sweat. Me have to walk in the sun, source the things, me not rob you, man.
Jacqueline, me I come from far, man.
Done the far, my belly I run far, come I want my food, come I'm hungry bad, you know? Look after you, man, me look after you. Yes, you're nice, bad. The only thing with us about that the place, the only thing they can do better is extend it, man. Make people sit down and yam, because sometimes, boy, the food nice, but by the time it get here cold.
True, but you eat it hot.
It's
Yes,
nice, man.
like I'm around here already. When I'm doing something, what me did I tell you about? Because I say me go around and come back. Now this is a hot sun out here.
Aye, yeah, man, me I go get it for you. Alright, me soon come.
Alright, me there you remember no charge me, how much you charge me?
Now watch the price, man.
Come remember say me and your friend for my longer all the time. Yes, man. I want to take off this belly here. When me go out in a bath, so the man them supposed to look and say, Jesus, flat belly, big bottom. So I can't wait to see the results. Hurry up, Jacqueline, hurry up. I want to buy the air freshener for my house.
Alright, see.
Oh, you come back. You take like a long door. Right, sit here. This is it, man.
Right.
Alright, so if you use it.
Let me tell you how to take it now. You take a cork full in the morning, you see, before you eat.
This, one cork full.
Take a cork full. Now watch the taste here. Anything bitter in the mouth, sweet in the belly. And then after you take the first cork full, you leave it for about an hour. Then you can eat. But nobody eat trash, man. I make it have to work hard. Eat good food.
Good food. What you call good food?
Nature food, man.
Like?
Nobody with the holy carcass.
Like banana and dumpling and them something?
Not leave out the starch, man. The fruit and the vegetable and drink up your herbs.
But what are different? I not say write the recipe or nothing on it. So I'm going to know what in there.
I can't give away my recipe. A herbalist Jacqueline me name, you know. Now me tell everybody what in there. Them I gotta do them own a thing and nobody now come to me. A business me a run, man.
That makes sense, friend. But it's true, me your friend, me kinda. I don't really want. Every them say do buy post in a bag. I don't really want drink when I don't know what in there.
No problem. Give it back to me.
No.
And continue with the
No, listen, man. Me your friend, man. What you going so?
Well, since me and you are friend, you know. And you see the size of the buckle?
It look strong, man.
Yeah, man.
Strong for sure.
So,
alright, me come go round.
Hi. I just a 10,000 I want for you.
10,000?
How?
No, man, Jacqueline, man. Me tell us I don't pressure me, girl.
Me not pressure
me not have it, man.
Me not
Time rough,
pressure
you know. Time rough, bad. Me just buy some furniture put in the house. Me not have it, man, Jacqueline. Oh, God, man. Listen, friend, listen. It hard, you know, it rough. A 2 gram me make from today. A small me dig it off. I know I can't really tell you who me dig it off. Because sometimes you tell me, say, see I'm black here and there. Sometimes if you shut up my mouth, so I shut up my mouth now. I can't really tell you who me get it off. But listen up, here what. Why you so jumpy, me and a friend?
Let me tell you something. If you can't afford one, a plan me I put you on, you know. Can't work it have to go work. So this is the first one. So I don't know what you're gonna do. Either don't go for it or you find a chopper man deal with it, man.
Where me go find chopper man from? No, listen now. Stop going to EST me and your friend. I can't believe say you deal with me.
Friendship no run in a business. A business me a run. Friend a friend.
I don't like how you go because if I did you, me that give you, man. But listen, I'm going to tell you what I got, right? I don't have it now. But I will look at 10,000 by tomorrow bring come give you. I really need it, you know. You know, say my belly big. My belly have to go down so I can get the rich man them so I can bring come. You know, jump off a piece of food pie, the rich man like fat girl.
No, man, a business, you know.
No worry yourself, man. Just give me a little time, no, man. Please, me I beg you. Me your friend, you know, I don't like how you go on with me.
Alright, sure you know. Okay, you know, so I not ramp with my money.
No way, you know me going to give you the money, man, Jacqueline. Enough time I know you come around the yard and I give you food.
Alright. Weekend, you know, don't make weekend pass. Come have to go buy and source back up the herbs and feel.
Alright, listen. Me go up on the road, you know, because see me can hunt it and something. You go get your money, man. No worry yourself, man.
Alright.
Make sure it work.
Of course.
Come and while look sick and have this on my body. Alright.
This is a sexy herb, you know.
Alright, friends. Cause I can't wait to be sexy. But anyways, we go on to turn now so we can sexy up them and them. See you soon. Alright, girl. Sure. How are you then? You know that's something me I call about though? Yes. I don't feel good. I'm going to go to the doctor. Yeah, but the doctor charge $13,000 for visit and plus for medication and all of them something there. What you mean by you already give me money for the ear and nails? That's a ear and nails money. You have to have me to feel good money, you know. So hold on. Oh, so because you give me money for the ear and nails, you expect say the ear and the nails done do already. And I don't feel good. What you want me to do? Drop down? Listen now. Sir, shake up your folly grounds. You are a woman, so you have to can't spend per woman. Shake up your folly grounds, man. What you there? Alright, listen. Me a walk come around your yard. I almost reach your yard gate. So please make sure you have $13,000 for the visit and plus me want medication. I don't know how much. Yes, medication there. So you can run another $25,000. If more want money, me call you back. When me in the yard, listen. Me never my way I got your yard. So please, by the time I reach up there, reach your yard. Because I want to forget doctor. I really emergency. Alright. Yeah, and you know me and a flap girl. So if my toe or my finger or anything at my even my head hurt me I forgot doctor. When I run joke, so now they come tell me about oh take no pill, no me depend them something there. Me have to go to doctor. You want a hot girl, so you have to pay for hot girl treatment. I am coming. Okay, sir. Please make don't go out there for you, no come in like wait. Alright. Boy, you want hot girl. Yes. Cause when boy want flat baby, him got to pay for it, but I don't know joke with no man. But let my friend on there. But me a hot girl, me a hot girl walking a son. Jacqueline! Jack!
Oi!
Girl, me a come over here.
Alright.
Alright. Jacqueline, hold your dog, you know. Because I see him come and I back. Hold him. Oh. Where you there? I was with that girl. Jackie. Girl, you gone back in the house here, you me a call. I don't understand you.
I have pan fire, man. You want
How are you cook?
Never mind that. You have the thing.
May I have it, yes? So you're not telling me where you cook here?
No.
What are you taking money, so me a rob you?
You have to check money, business or business, but what a way you get it quick though.
Girl, don't worry yourself. You know, so when me go, so a boy have to drop. I'm not run a joke.
Hey, wait till you lose the belly.
And then that time the money go come, girl.
Yes.
All for resort, me you can go and pray. So you know, say I'm a friend. But you know, say not say me where you cook.
You know, say you're a hot girl, eh? And you know, for ask people where them are cooking, and you feel cook.
Of course, me hot girl. You know what hair do? Nails do, girl. Lavish lifestyle, hotness, pure hotness. But anyways, you know, me come take my little time go on. Cause you know I give them nice food and I want something to eat, you know. So see you later, girl. This something look like it's a work, but my belly look like it's a go down. Yeah, but big herbal is fresh. Anyways, you know, me come go round. Yes, me come go round.
Remember for come back before the buckle done, you know.
It's so done, girl. No worry yourself. But guess what? I don't want to trust up more file. So I have to go on for a piece of food. So can jump in your heart.
Come
and you know when the belly flat and some of us cock up and pure things. Girl, I'm gonna go around. Me so come do. Later.
One Miss Hot Girl, eh? Hey. Go on with yourself. Wait till it start work on you. Hot girl. Hey. You gotta see what hot girl do.
Oh, it look like I can't hold this for go home. Jesus.
I lie, I tell dog. Yo, Bad Jones. Outside. Eh. I run up in that air kitchen, them, you see, I run master matter about say, oh. Look, your kitchen, them, hold on, them, dog. I see who call her back. Hold on, Pinky. Are you that? Hold on, are you that, Pinky?
No, not me.
What do you mean, no, me? No, me? As a hot girl like you? No, man, come here, man. Come here, man.
What you do?
What you mean, what you do? Take your picture, man. No, man. Hot girl, shit about.
Concrete balloon, what you do? No,
No,
please. Me I beg you. Concrete balloon, me I beg you, please. No.
No, man, what you mean, no? No, man, video, man. Video.
No.
Stop the video. Oh, show your face. Oh, show your face, man. You tap a video. Listen, show your face. No, man, girl, shit a bush, man.
Concrete balloon, listen.
Concrete balloon.
We can't talk about it. Wait. We can't talk about it. Concrete balloon, me have money.
Concrete balloon,
Me have money.
No, man, girl, shit a bush.
Listen, we can't negotiate. Me have money.
You know how long man I look you?
Me can't pay you.
How long man I look you? Hot girl,
Me can't pay you. Listen, no.
pay you. Show your face. Hot girl, shit a bush, people. See it?
Listen, it's complicated. Listen to me.
Hot girl, shit a bush, people. TikTok time. 1 minute.
Concrete balloon, please. You're begging.
Show your face. No TikTok see
Me not shit. We can't negotiate. We can't keep balloon. Listen up.
You know how long man I look you?
No, please. Me I beg you.
Concrete. TikTok, see it here. See it here. Yeah, man, see it here. Don't worry yourself.
Concrete balloon, me can't pay you, no.
Yo, me want you, here.
Alright.
Make sure.
Don't post it, please.
No. Yo, we still don't want you, though, here. But not.
Don't post it, don't post it.
Yo, listen to me. Check my number. Memorize my number.
Yeah, talk.
432
432
4815.
4815, please.
Call me now.
No.
Call me.
No.
Me pass the better.
Concrete balloon, listen. Jesus Christ.
Follow, listen.
God,
Now see, girl. Hey. Jackie, where are you?
I want make you one so happy. I want good so.
More than happy, man, I know.
I want
Real, eh?
share some of the happiness, man.
So you never happy yet and just want to keep it to yourself and just know say how things is gonna work out for you in life.
Oh, I saw you do it. I saw you do. You
Hold
fi
on,
share
hold
the
on.
love, man. You fi share the
Hold
love.
on, you never happy yet in life. And sure now say something gonna work out for you. You never happy like that yet.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Of course. That's why I want a little piece of it too.
This Jackie too fast.
Share it, man. Share
Yeah,
it. You
yeah,
know, so you can't keep
You
it,
know,
man.
let me get to our roots them.
Yes, man.
Eh?
Yeah,
Let me
man.
think. Eh?
Oh, so a girl, you're fine.
Yeah, yes, yo.
A girl, you're fine. Make you want to strung up your back.
Yes, yo. Yeah, man, it's Jackie. You're too fast, you know. Yeah, big herbal is in that place, yo.
Yes, man.
All foreign me see a thing there.
Yes. People come from Africa, me help them.
Ghana,
Yes. All Europe too.
Uganda. All them places me people.
Zimbabwe, everywhere.
Kalang.
Chile, everywhere, man.
Them places-
Nigeria, everywhere. Yes.
So we are dealing.
I'm just a cool out because the sun a beat me, man. The sun a beat me.
Hold on. Man. Yo. Hey, Anthony, big up yourself. Yo, things that gonna work out for me now.
Moss.
You never see me with a girl, no? No, we are gonna see me with girl.
Me know something did I make you happy,
Now you're
man.
gonna see me with a girl.
Okay.
The girl is gonna run me down like when fly running down, you know.
Hey. Nobody like you.
Yo, oh, dear man, we
I'm
must
happy feel.
Yo,
I'm
sure.
happy feel.
Believe the man. So, watch out. Don't tell nobody, you know.
How are this?
You don't know that girl?
Jeez.
You don't know her?
It's star work already.
Star work already. What you mean?
Don't worry about that. I really pinky that.
Pinky. Remember me I tell you, say them girl, say them a hot girl on the road. Don't.
Yeah, man. Nobody hot like a she, you know.
You think I know me I look her?
Hold on.
You think I know me I look her, Miss Jackie? And can't get her. She have some boy around her, so I drive crown and let me sit. Watch and see if I know me more love now.
With that, she go worship the ground you walk on,
So,
man.
I TikTok me I put the pan on now. TikTok me say me I put the pan on now. Believe, eh?
No, man, that not nice.
Oh, you mean that no nice?
Oh, God, that not nice. And are your future girlfriend, you gonna do that too? Or your future wife? No.
So, no.
Not do it, concrete.
You know,
Not do it.
future wife too.
Then almost. You see that the video you have? Jesus.
So,
Are your
man.
baby mother that you know?
I forget to
Have
say
your
it for
baby
her.
mother.
But right now, me I tell you say, you up a bush and think of shit, you know. Yo, me say, yo, in thinking.
Oh, God.
I told man, but yo, me don't know when gonna, me don't know if I sitting on them sitting door.
Chinyam something or drink something for true.
You don't drink sitting there in them, but still
Your
sitting
belly
right.
take a road.
I road. But you know, everything up for a good purpose. Alright, I know me I look for a baby mother.
But me not lie to you, you know. Your stomach strong, you know. You have an iron stomach, you know.
Two man come.
Oh, you can stand so long and
No,
video
I saw
or
me
watch
with that.
ya.
Auntie Jackie, look no man, I saw me with that.
You're bad. You're bad.
I saw me with it, man. Yo,
Oh, God.
But yo, me I go to the road this, me I show me bridge in them.
No do her
No,
that,
no,
man.
something
No,
else.
man. You have to think what you would want done to you, you know.
Two man, me not show them man. All the bourgeois alone me I show, but they don't know me not show him.
No, man.
Yo, I'm bridging them there now.
Ah. Not sure them and not put it up and thing. Yeah.
Yeah man.
All
Think
right.
about that man. You don't, you know.
All right.
Big up yourself.
All right. Big
All right,
man. Yeah, man.
Yo, line up when I sit them for me
You
man.
just I gotta say you want some of the...
When I sit them.
Hey.
You know.
You see when we
All
come
right,
with
yeah.
you, if you fix your business for you.
All right, fix
All right.
for me, yeah.
Lion lock.
That's it.
Yeah, man. What love.
Big up, yeah.
Right. Actually, work fast. Work fast, man. Why, my belly? Uy. Are you concrete? We want something? Hey, mine, you know, she might catch you back a bush or back a wall. Oi, Jackie, you're bad till you're too bad. Oi.
Yeah, Bojo, me I sit for show you out. Yeah, down there.
The nose under attack. What kind of scent that? I want smell so, I want smell so, I smell so. My girl really, I really not the bush I go do. You know have no toilet, and your yard that low. And your hair and nail long so. But how are you show? Me see her up on the road looking well stush. Only if you find out say she a go do it in a bush. Lord she me shock me nearly broke me neck. Me say
Wait there, why you a do so?
she freeze up quick like statue in a show.
She said, mind your business, just go and go.
But the evidence strong.
Me already know.
Me know. I want smell so, I want smell so, I smell so. My girl really, I really not the bush I go do. You know have no toilet, and your yard that low. And your hair and nail long so. But how are you show? Every morning she post on the gram pic.
Living my best life,
Filter and glam.
hiding every flaw.
Nobody know, but me see the truth where she not sure. Me link her later, me try to be nice.
Me say, real talk, me nah mock your life.
She side put her head to the ground. Me situation rough.
Me can't joke around.
Light bill high, water bill do. Pressure on her, nothing she can do. She dress up good for I distress, but life behind her. What kind of scent that? I want smell so, I want smell so, I smell so. My girl really, I really not the bush I go do. You know have no toilet, and your yard that low. And your hair and nail long so. But how are you show? Me see her up on the road looking well stush. Only if you find out say she a go do it.
Hold on, go on like son, you know, subscribe up. No, for when me telling me say subscribe, it's a joking thing with the pan. My son. I train a year, but me not run down, you know.
Okay, boy.
Now yourself, man. So, now, yo, you. What's on you? Subscribe to Maggie Films already?
No.
No? Where's the no?
No.
Oh, you said what? No, you said why?
Maggie Films.
Maggie.